Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Raul TV. We are back again, and what we have got here, we have got a Hyundai. Let's get it right. It's all my life I've been calling it Hyundai, okay? And then a few years ago I found out it's called Hyundai. So let's get it right. Hyundai on a 20 plate. Hyundai Ioniq, right? Hyundai. It sounds weird when I say Hyundai. Hyundai Ioniq sounds better, right? I'm gonna go and do a nice simple job. I'm still not well, guys, okay? I'm really not well, okay? I've got so much pains all of this side of my body. I don't know if what's happened to me. I'm in dire pain, but for you guys, I'm soldiering on, right? We're gonna do a little oil change on this car. Nice, easy job. Let's go, let's do it. Just before I forget, it's a hybrid, this one, but the principle is same on the petrol, diesels, basically all of them. You know, all cars are pretty much the same principle. Take the oil filter off, you know, the drain plug off, things like that. So yeah, Hyundai Ioniq 2020 plate, oil filter and oil change replacement. Let's go. Okay, guys, we have sent the car up on the ramp. You can't really get it wrong. It says oil filter cap, which is in here, and engine oil, which is in here. To take that off, we need 10mm socket, ratchet, extension, whatever you've got. Take that one off, take that one off, that cover comes off. Take them three off, that cover comes off. And then, yeah, well, first off, what we'll do is we will go ahead and drain the oil. We'll go from there. Let's go. Right, guys, okay, so we have taken this cover off. As you can see there, the oil filter is there, leaking as well, not very good. Right, okay, and we've got the drain plug, which is there. So you're going to get yourself a 17mm. Right, I couldn't take this cover off because this bolt here would not come off, so I've just slackened it. I managed to slacken it a little bit and just, you know, move it out of the way. So we're going to get ourselves a 17mm spanner or socket, ratchet, whatever you got, and just crack that off. Take that off. And yeah, we've got the oil pan ready. Right, okay, so let that drain. As you can see that it's draining out. We'll just leave that to a side, let it drain out. We're going to tackle the oil filter now. So the oil filter, main objective is to take the oil filter off, okay? So if you've got the oil filter tool, you can do it with that. If you're strong enough to do it with your hands, you do it with your hands if you want. I just get these on it, okay? And I don't care if people are saying they're pipe pliers, they do the job for me, okay? So there we go. That comes off. It's hand tight. Make sure you get it in there, in the right place. You don't want oil all over the show. Yeah, we're going to tear that off. We're going to take that off and go from there. Okay, guys, so there's the new filter. Just make sure you put some oil around the seal a little bit, right? And yeah, let's fit it in reverse order. Hand tight. I'm just going to put it on with my hands, right? Okay, you don't even need to put a strap on it or anything on it. Just tight as you can with your hands, and you're good to go. Right, let's do it. Okay, guys, so oil filter is on. I just got a bit of sandpaper. I'll clean that up just to get a better grip and tighten it up. Let's just put the sump plug. I put the sump plug back on. New washer, everything is back on. Just tighten up on the sump plug. You don't need to get your torque wrench out and things like that. Let's be honest with you. I didn't. It wasn't. There you go. It wasn't mega tight to take it off. 17mm spanner, hand tight, just best you can. That's it. Let's get this covers back on. Get some oil in it. Job done. Okay guys, so we've topped the oil up, filled the oil up and everything to the right mark. The dipstick is here. This is how you check it. Obviously take the dipstick out, and basically there's two marks there. Low, you can't get get it wrong, low, and then there's the high mark, okay, which is there, right? So you need it like in between there or bang on there, and that should do your job. Obviously mine is slightly over because I haven't had the car running. Once you've had the car running, recheck it again, it should be okay, and that's it, we're good to go. Okay guys, we've just had the car running, just took the dipstick out. As you can see though, you can see it clearly now. Okay, so a bit more clear if I come on this side. You can see that where the level is, the lower and the higher. Okay, so full basically. So we need to dip that dipstick in there. We just had the car running and everything, and if you take it out from there, as you can see there, it's bang on. I would say 3/4. If you want, you can put a little bit more in, but I wouldn't, maybe a smidgen more, but yeah, if you want to leave it there, you can leave it there as well. Well, that's it guys, all done and dusted. The Hyundai or Hyundai, let's stick to Hyundai, okay? It sounds better. Hyundai Ioniq. You can't even say it properly. Hyundai Ioniq, right? 20 plate. We've done the oil change, oil filter replacement. Dead easy. You can do it outside your house. So all done and dusted guys. The Hyundai Ioniq, not Ioniq, it's Hyundai, isn't it? Hyundai, but for some reason they call it I call it Hyundai, all right? We've been calling it Hyundai all my life, but now they've changed it to Hyundai Ioniq. It doesn't even sound right. Hyundai Ioniq. Anyways, 20 plate Hyundai Ioniq, oil filter, engine oil change replacement, all done and dusted. I'm going to go ahead and reset the service inspection. Check it out on my video, check out on the playlist, the Hyundai playlist. It will be on there. So after you've done the oil change, then you reset it, okay? Don't go resetting it for the fun of it, and don't do the oil change, right? That's wrong, totally wrong. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R for you well. We are soldiering on, even though I'm not feeling too well, for you guys. I'll see you guys next time.